Hi, my name is Fran, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a Facebook pixel to your Clickfunnels funnels. Go to business.facebook.com. If you don't have an ad account, you need to create one. If you don't have a business account, you need to create one. Once you have an ad account, just click on your ad account. Click on Business Tools, Events Manager. This will show you all the pixels you have created, or none if you don't have any. Go up here to Connect Data Sources. Click the plus button and choose Web to connect your website. Get started, and we're going to choose Facebook Pixel. Connect. We'll give a name to the pixel. There are two ways to do this. You can either input your URL here, and immediately it will give you a wizard in the website or in the funnel, in this case, showing you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. In this case, I will show you the simplest way because in ClickFunnels, it's easiest if you just copy the code. So continue, and we'll tell them that we want to manually add the pixel. So Facebook gives us the pixel, we'll just copy the code, and as you can see, it tells you exactly where you need to paste the code. Paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section just above the /head tag. This is very easy. Once you go to your funnel, you'll go to Settings, and you can see the head tracking code right here. You'll just click on it and paste your Facebook pixel. Scroll all the way down, save and update settings. We're not finished yet. If you want to track the conversions, you need to add an event code. So let's continue. You can skip this right now, and it gives you the event code. Now, recently, Facebook has launched the wizard setup. So all you have to do is open your website or your funnel in this case. Tell Facebook to launch the event setup tool. You'll enter the website here. So if you're having trouble activating the pixel, like I had, it might be because you're navigating incognito. I'm navigating incognito. Basically what I did was I opened another window, and I have if you don't have, you can install the Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a Chrome extension and it's really useful. Open another window and use this extension to make sure that the pixel is firing on the page. Otherwise, just go back, start again, and copy the code again. You might have made a mistake. In this case, we can see that the pixel is firing. It says that it's active here. 1 pixel found. So it came back here, and I chose test events, and I told it to test the event. I pasted the URL, and now it fired a page view event. We can open the event setup again. We'll open website, and now we can set up specific events that we want Facebook to track. So if, like me, you are using a pop-up, make sure you open the pop-up and click Track New button. Click the button, and you can click the leads event. So Facebook will track the leads that subscribe here, and you can confirm. Another way you can do this is track a URL. If you track the button, you might find a problem that a person clicking this button without introducing their email address will be tracked as a lead as well. If you want to be more accurate, you would go to the thank you page. This was a demonstration funnel, so I don't even have a proper thank you page created. Instead of telling Facebook to open the event in the opt-in page, we would tell Facebook to track the event in the thank you page. Open website, and here Facebook is already giving us the wizard again, the event setup tool. We'll track a URL, and this is the URL we want to track. Once somebody lands on this URL, this means they have become a lead. So we just click confirm. That is it. Our pixel is set up correctly. As you can see, lead equals landing on this URL. So what this means now is your pixel is now ready to track visitors to the landing page and to track the event of converting those visitors to leads in the thank you page. That's it. That's all you need. All right, so that's it for this quick tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. you want more ClickFunnels tutorials, or if you want to learn how to earn with your content, the content you are creating, subscribe to this channel and you will have a lot of training about that. Also, if there's any tutorial you want to see and you cannot find it in this channel, just leave a comment below and let me know what you would like me to do.